All right, welcome back to Prestige Motorsports. I'm Doug Aiken. Today I want to talk about the small block Ford Holley front accessory drive system. Really more about the lower radiator hose position. Basically a lot of people, if they had a 65, 66 Mustang, Falcon, they want a passenger side lower hose. And the neat thing with this kit is that this lower entry is actually modular, so you can unbolt that, turn it around, and have it come out that side. And that's great. They do that with also the AC lines. You'll see that they got AC lines, they run behind this, and they come out on the passenger side. Typically, that's a lot cleaner routing. If you wanted them to come out factory position, they have something that comes around the back side and out on the driver's side. My main focus is the lower hose. I do not recommend putting it on that side, and here's why. So the timing pointer, you can come in here with the timing light and actually see the timing pointer. When it gets over onto this side, because if we had the inlet on the passenger side, now we're trying to point through like the power steering pulley, you cannot see the timing pointer. That's a small detail. Number two is the radiator. So you'll see we've got a radiator, would be traditional. A guy might already have bought a radiator and it has the inlet and outlet on the same side. We do not recommend this, okay? Because it's a downflow radiator. I can't really speak on technical terms, but you're not really, even though the radiator's full of water, you're basically returning out of the thermostat on this side and sucking it out on this side. So you get a lot of fluid motion through this side of the radiator, but not so much that side. That's why we don't like having the hose on the same side. So if you have a radiator already, my suggestion is you can cut this bottom off here, the lower hose connection, cap it, and move it over to the passenger side, or sorry, to the driver's side. That way, and water entering in this side, basically you've got suction over on that side to try to get more fluid motion across the entire radiator. Another fun fact for the all original guys out there, maybe they want this thing blacked out and they definitely want the hoses on the same side. Obviously, we're not a big all original fan here. We're more resto mod, do it right, do it cool. But if you want that look, with our friends at Wizard Radiator, what they do is they offer this with this tube internally inside that upper tank to where basically your returning water is pushed clear to that side of the radiator, again, so you're getting full coverage of that radiator. So if you're buying an engine from us, we really like this Holley front drive. I have really tried to instruct and instill into our sales staff, do not, or at least try to help a customer out by going with a driver's side lower hose over the passenger side. So if you call, you're wanting an engine, you're probably gonna kind of get pushed to try to keep it on that driver's side. Thanks for watching.